We're being joined today by Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal. So starting off with the elections and the election results, we've seen different interpretations of the result coming out from different parties, different people. Well, the BJP has clearly not gotten the majority that it had claimed to get earlier. It is the NDA, however, is ready to form the government. How do you see the political scenario considering a coalition government is what we're seeing as of now?
No, what am I to say? I mean, let the government be formed. As far as the Prime Minister is concerned, I remember he used to say that 400 par, and the fact of the matter is that the BJP has lost about 60 seats. So he really has no moral authority to claim that this is a victory. And certainly, in the context of the statements that he's been making, that God has sent him here. Therefore, I tweeted in the morning, I just wanted to know कि भैया कभी भगवान भी कोई coalition बना सकता है. But we wish him well because we are all his subjects, and I'm sure that he'll take care of us in time to come. And it'll be not me against you. It'll be all of us together as we move forward to build a great nation.
So there's a strong remark that is coming from the JDU saying that the Agniveer scheme, which was very controversial even when it was brought in, needs to be revisited. Now, how do you see that? And also, do you think this is BJP started to feel the heat from the coalition allies already?
The heat. You see, it's like this. When you are in absolute majority, you do what you want, right? And therefore, there are many steps that you take, whether in the form of legislation or in the form of executive decisions, that do not sit well when a new dispensation is in power. And the Agniveer scheme has been the subject matter of a lot of controversy. The farm bills have been the subject matter of a lot of controversy. The new criminal law bills are also the subject matter of a lot of controversy. So when there's a new dispensation in power, they should look at all these things afresh, because the criminal law criminal law bills have not yet been put into effect. They will go into effect from July 1. Yeah. So I think that the new government should look at it afresh and consistent with our democracy, make sure that these laws are reasonable, and they are, according to me, at the moment, if these are implemented, they are much worse than the colonial laws that were framed which were in fact being implemented, which I am against, apart from the new laws.
So the three criminal laws that you were just referring to, so they are to come into effect on 1st July. So for the benefit of our viewers, legally speaking, is it possible for them to be reconsidered or revisited by the parliament even now?
The government can make a statement. They'll not be put into operation from July 1. They're postponed, and then a new committee ends it. It's easy, no problem.
So lastly, there was also a narrative about how BJP might change the constitution. It all started off with the BJP leaders' comment, but was also used by opposition party leaders during the election campaign. Do you think that in any way has affected the results or BJP's performance in this entire election?
I don't know about that, but the BJP will have to change itself. I don't know about the constitution.
Do you think it's possible? Do you think it's possible for the BJP to actually be able to make changes to the constitution the way that was claimed earlier?
I don't know what changes you're talking about.
The narrative that was built up, it started off from
You have to see what changes you can change the constitution by simple majority also. You can take it on a simple majority also. But if you are thinking of changing the fundamentals of the constitution, that's somewhat more difficult. But then, of course, God has the capacity to do anything.
Just the last question, sir. The India Alliance as of now has said that they're not staking any claim to the government as of now, but they may proceed further. Do you think there's a possibility in the coming future that the India Alliance may come ahead from the government? Is that possible?
Only God can tell us that. We are mere mortals.
Okay, thank you so much. That was Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal. This is Shrishti Ocha from New Delhi with camera person Shagun.